Okay, the first thing that must be done when you receive your e-bike from us, you have to remove the front panel over here in order to connect the battery terminals with the controller. Otherwise, the bike will not turn on. This is done as a safety precaution, just in case something happens during shipping. It's a very simple connection. You have to use an Allen key, which is number 3 size, and just connect these two connections together. Make sure the panel doesn't fall off, and then just open it up and you can see the battery in there and also the Sabutov controller. Make sure you don't pull any wires or anything. So the connection, it's going to be found over here in the back of the battery. It's going to be hidden, so you have to look for it. It's like red and black wires together. Just take it out, it might be snug in there. It's gonna look like this, and just connect them together. It might spark a little bit. Okay, there you go. And that's about it. And you just hide them back here. Yeah, and one thing I could say is that this controller over here, it moves when it could possibly move, like, you know, when you're driving, so what we would say is that just to put a little bit of expanding foam in certain places, in order to protect the wires so they don't connect with the bolts in the back, otherwise it would short circuit the unit. Anyways, putting back the panel is simple. Just put it back in and screw that. Screw it back in. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 screws. And you need I need a 12. No, you need a number 3 size Allen screw, Allen key, in order to get that off or to put it back on. Once you're finished, yeah, you just put in the key and then start it up, and that's about it. The start procedure for the bike is quite simple. It's you just basically take the key and you put it into over here to the side, twist it, and you got display over here. Take the center M button for the SW900 display. Just press it, and there you go.